Hello everyone and welcome back to ScorpioTech. In this video we're going to be unboxing and checking out the BenQ Halo screen bar. And you're going to want to stick around as I'll be giving one of these away to you guys, more info at the end of this video. Back in 2020 I reviewed BenQ's original screen bar, but this latest release has some really cool changes, so let's dive in and take a look. The screen bar Halo essentially sits on top of your monitor and lights up your entire desk without causing any screen glare, and of course meaning you don't need a regular desk lamp cluttering up your desk. I've been using the predecessor screen bar daily for nearly 2 years now, and it has become a staple part of my desk setup. I would even be inclined to say that it's a desk or workstation essential. This updated screen bar features a fantastic wireless controller, various lighting modes, precise auto dimming, as well as the ability to clip it onto both standard and curved monitors thanks to the included accessories. Although this does come at a cost of about £150 or $180, so let's find out if it's a worthy addition to your setup. The screen bar has a really smart and non-intrusive design with a width of about 50 centimeters. As for the technical side of things, the screen bar Halo can output a color temperature between 2700 and 6500 Kelvin. As previously mentioned, the package includes curved monitor accessories which support most curved monitors between 1000 and 1800R. As for the rest of the package contents, we are given a quick start guide, service information, and a foam pad to be used with curved monitors in some cases. For me, the standout feature is this sleek looking wireless controller that allows you to quickly adjust the brightness levels, lighting modes, color temperature, as well as saving a favorite setting for you to easily return to. As well as featuring touch controls on the top of the controller, it also has this incredibly smooth and premium feeling dial that you can use to change various settings. BenQ have opted to use batteries instead of making the controller rechargeable via USB, which does feel a little bit archaic these days, but I imagine that the power consumption on the controller is so incredibly low that the batteries will last a very long time. Compared with the standard BenQ screen bar, the screen bar Halo is slightly larger, allowing it to cover a larger area with light, which in my case is the entire desk, making doing any paperwork, planning videos, and most importantly recording my unboxing videos much easier and more practical to accomplish. Thanks to the simple and intuitive layout of the wireless controller, turning on and adjusting the settings is extremely straightforward to do. In the top right, the bulb icon represents the brightness, in the top left the thermometer symbol represents the color temperature, in the bottom left you have the automatic dimming setting, and in the bottom right you've got the favorites button, which lets you quickly access your favorite saved setting. And last but not least, in the bottom center of the wireless controller there is a small light mode control button that allows you to change between the front light, backlight, or both depending on your preference. The primary use for the front light is to of course illuminate your desk space for practicality reasons, whereas the backlight illuminates the wall behind your desk to help reduce eye strain, which is ideal for working in dark conditions and is also quite aesthetically pleasing too. Thanks to the clever design of the BenQ Halo screen bar, attaching it to your monitor is very easy, and this will fit practically any flat panel monitor on the market. For curved screens, as you saw earlier, there are a few extra steps here, but this is also very simple to do. And from there, simply plug the screen bar into an available USB Type A port in your PC or laptop or whatever you're using it with, and you're good to go. As long as the wireless controller is within about 1 meter of the screen bar, then it's going to work as soon as the screen bar's been plugged in. So yes, that means no messing around trying to pair devices, just shove the batteries in, stick the bar on your monitor, and you're all set. Now call me old fashioned, but I still do quite a lot of my video planning on a physical notepad, so this screen bar helps me avoid eye strain when it's dark without needing a desk lamp taking up valuable desk space. But not only that, if I'm quickly checking emails on the Mac, the screen bar perfectly lights up the desk without causing any nasty reflections on the screen to make working even more practical. I genuinely would be lost without a screen bar now, and there are plenty of these on the market, but I've had a flawless experience with both BenQ screen bars I've tested so far, so if you are interested in getting one for yourself, I'll put the relevant links down in the description. And to give back to you guys, I've teamed up with BenQ to give away one of their Halo screen bars. And this is going to be a global giveaway, and all you have to do to enter is head over to the ScorpioTech Discord server linked in the description or pinned comment, interact with the community, and enter for free. You can find all of the relevant information about the giveaway over on the ScorpioTech Discord server's giveaway channel. And well, that pretty much brings us to the end of this video. Once again, I would highly recommend this, not only for gaming setups but also for office spaces and work from home desk setups. It's a modern, practical and non-intrusive way of taking your desk setup to the next level. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more technology content. And of course, if you have any comments or questions, make sure to leave them down below. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye, nerds.